From top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of top of a cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of the foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. And so we will begin with a diagram, right? So we're looking at towers, and land and stuff like that. Uh, from the top of a 7-meter high building. So we have a building, the angle of elevation of top of a cable tower. Elevation means the tower has to be taller. Is it not? If not, you won't get elevation. Okay. So, and the angle of depression. Okay. Now let's see from where to where we are watching. From the top of the 7-meter building. So this is our building. Let me mention that. And this is our tower. So building is from the top of the building is over here, and from here to here is what we are looking at, right? Then the angle of depression of its foot. So the foot is from here to here. And now we have always draw the horizontal line. Don't forget that because that's where the entire thing lies. And this is where people go wrong. Okay. And now we can read the question again. From top of a 7-meter high building. So this is 7 meter. The angle of elevation of top of the cable tower is 60 degrees. So this is 60 degree. And the angle of depression. So many people mark this as 45 degree. This is 45 degree. As per this information, determine the height of the tower. So this entire length we have to find. So let's name them. So we'll call this as AB. We'll call this as MN. And let's call this as P. So this is 90 degree. Okay. This is parallel to this, and this is 90, and this is 90. And this is parallel to this. Right. So let's this is 7 meters. This is X. We'll call that as X. We'll call this length as Y meters, and this is Y meters. Right? Because these two lengths are same, we have to write it so. Okay. Now we'll start the answer. So first thing first, how will we find Pn? Because with Pn we'll be able to find Pb. That's what we have to find. Pn we can find with the help of triangle MNP, but we don't know Mn. But we can find Mn by finding AB. How will we find AB? By making use of triangle MAB. Okay. Actually, we can make use of MNP also. But I thought this will be much easier for you guys to visualize. And this is 45 degree. Why? This is parallel to this. This is acting like a transverse line. So you have two parallel lines, your transverse line. So these two angles will be equal to each other because they are alternative interior angles. So let's start by talking about all of that. SMN is parallel to AB angle. ABM is equal to angle BMN, which is equal to 45 degree. Alternative interior angles. Next, and as Mn, oh sorry, I should be right. Yeah, and as MA, not Mn, is parallel to NB, right? This is a parallelogram. This implies MNBA is a parallelogram, right? So since that is a parallelogram, we have Mn is equal to AB, which is equal to Y meters. Okay, and also NB is equal to MA, which is equal to 7 meters. Okay, reason being opposite sides of parallelogram. Two straight lines and gram means parallelogram. right? So with initial things done, all we can do is find AB. So calculating AB, and also similarly, I mean by default MN, which says nothing but Y, right? In triangle MAB. So we have, what do we have? Tan of 45 degree is equal to opposite MA by adjacent Y. Or you want to write it AB, you can start with that. So 45 is 1. So 1 times of AB is equal to MA. So therefore MA is equal to 7 meters. Right? So this is 7 meters. And sorry, I have to write AB is equal to 7 meters. AB is equal to 7 meters. So this is equal to 7 meters. And this is equal to 7 meters. Done. Then take triangle M and P and you're done. So we have calculating PN in triangle M and P. Tan 60 degree is opposite by adjacent. So root of 3 is equal to Pn is x divided by adjacent is 7. So x is equal to 7 root of 3 meters. And at last we have height of the tower is equal to 7 root of 3 plus 7, that is 7 root 3 plus 1 meters. Okay, so this is your answer. So now pause and have a look. Please enroll to our program at chalkpieceacademy.com, wherein we'll be teaching you a lot more tricks for faster simplification and calculation, DIY projects. We'll code with Python. We'll work with Arduino Uno. There are a lot more magic tricks and the physics behind it. There are printable materials which will help you recap and understand things better. We'll have live revision and doubt session 2 months before your term exams. It's very cost effective. There would be no ads or any kind of distractions, and we have a dedicated app to help you guys with this.